Right, this is just a short video to show you how to link your domain to my website service if you have bought your domain from Squarespace. Now, the chances are that you wouldn't have actually bought your domain from Squarespace. You would have bought it from Google, but Squarespace have teamed up with Google. They're now kind of the same thing. So if you have bought a domain from Google and you try and log into your Google account to do this, you're probably going to end up getting redirected to a Squarespace account. That seems to be what's happening. So once you're in Squarespace, let's just log into this one. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate, you want to be on the dashboard page. So here it is, it says dashboard. And as you can see, there's not much on there. But next to where it says dashboard, you're going to see a link that says domains. So you want to click on domains. And then it's going to show you your domain. So this is the example one we're going to use. So you click on the domain. Then down the left side, you've got some options. And you want to click where it says DNS. Okay, then once you've clicked on that, the first thing we need to do is click where it says DNSSEC. And what we need to do is we need to make sure that where it says DNSSEC security extensions, we need to make sure this is switched off, which it is. So if that was switched on, it would be sort of blue or green, but it's grayed out. It's over to the left. So if that little thing is over to the right and it's blue or green, it means it's switched on. So we want it over to the left and grayed out, and it means it's switched off. I won't go into the reasons why that needs to be off. It's technical, but that needs to be switched off. Otherwise, you can't link it to my service. Right, then the next thing we do is we click where it says Nameservers. And these are the 4 Nameservers. We need to change these 4 things to say something else. So what you do, you click where it says Use Custom Nameservers. Then you've got all these warnings that appear, but they're irrelevant. We can just ignore those. So where it says Nameserver 1, what you want to type, here it is. Right, so in the first Nameserver box, you want to type ns1.stackdns.com. Then in the second Nameserver box, you want to type ns2.stackdns.com. Now we need to do this a couple more times. So you click where it says Add Nameserver, and it creates a third box. So in the third box, you're going to put ns3.stackdns.com. Then we need another box, so we click it again. We're going to do ns4.stackdns.com. Now, I should point out, if we do this, it's going to flick all control over to my system. But if you happen to have any knowledge of these things, if you're using Google Workspace for your email address, what I will do on my side is replicate the DNS settings that are needed to maintain that connection. So if we change the Nameservers, your Google Workspace email address will carry on working, if you kind of know about these things. So don't worry about that. Your email address will carry on working. Right, unless obviously you want to use my email service, and then that's a different story. So we've got the 4 Nameservers. Then what you do is you click Save. And that is it. That's good enough to do it. So that will link your domain to my service. And if at any point you don't want to use my service anymore, you can see in the top corner here, it says use Squarespace Nameservers. And what that will do, that will undo everything we've just done, cut the connection from my service, and it will just go back to how it was. Okay, so there you go.